Good day, my wonderful YouTube family. You are welcome back to our YouTube channel, Convisi Farms. To our new subscribers, you are welcome. In today's video, we are going into the growing process, the watering and the caring process of yam sack farming. If you have not watched the part 1 of the yam sack farming, please go back and watch it so as to understand this part 2. In our first video, we talked about the right sacks to use, the right soil to use, and the different types of yam sets, which is the mini sets, the seed yam, and the head of yam. And we talked about the planting process. Let us get into the practical steps on how to water and care for our yams in the sack and the growing process. Remember, your yam needs water and plenty sunlight. Watering is very important for a healthy yam growth. Here is the right way to do it. Water your yam every 2 to 3 days in the dry season, but avoid overwatering. Check soil moisture before watering. If the soil is damp, wait a day before watering again. Use mulch to retain moisture and reduce water loss. You can use dried leaves or dried grass to mulch your yam. Mulching helps prevent the soil from drying out too fast. It also helps to keep your plant healthy. Yam tubers with buds usually start sprouting within 2 to 4 weeks after planting, depending on the variety, soil temperature, and moisture level. Once sprouted, yam vines will start growing rapidly, and after about 3 to 4 months, they will develop strong vines and leaves. As your yam plant grows, they will need proper care to ensure a great harvest. Here is what to do. Support the vines. Yam plants love to climb, so use sticks or bamboo poles to guide their growth upward. Remove unwanted plants to prevent competition for nutrients. Fertilize naturally by applying compost or organic manure every 3 to 4 weeks to boost growth. Protect your yams from pests naturally by using neem oil, organic pesticides, or wood ash. After you have planted your yams in sacks, by following the steps I showed you in part 1, this part 2 section is the next step to take for a healthy yam growth. The part 3 of yam sack farming will be on the growth timeline and the harvest. If you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel, Convisi Farms, for more organic tips. See you in our next video. Bye bye and take charge.